Hello everyone, it's me Jeppy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to close any open program showing in Alt+Tab window using only keyboard in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So whenever I press Alt+Tab or Control Alt+Tab, you will see the Alt+Tab window, right? So here we are not going to use a mouse. By using a mouse you can just click on this close option in order to close the open program window, but here we are gonna use only a computer keyboard. So here I will show you two ways how you can do it. So the first method you can do is just select the open program which you want to close by using a right and left arrow key on your computer keyboard. So say I want to close this PC, that is the file explorer. So here the first method you can do is just press the delete key on your computer keyboard. So now you can see the selected open program is closed. And now say I want to close the control panel. So now the second method you can use is just press Ctrl+W on your computer keyboard. So now you can see I have closed the other program window. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily close any open program showing in Alt+Tab window using only keyboard in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.